In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a broadcast message in Aweber. To get started, sign into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find Messages, then choose Drafts. This is where you will build your broadcast email before it goes out to subscribers. Working from drafts is helpful because you can design, review, and adjust everything before you schedule or send. Next, click Create a Message. Aweber will show you a few options for how to build the email. Select Drag and Drop Email Builder. This builder is the easiest way to create a clean message without needing any code, and it lets you place text, images, and buttons exactly where you want them. Now design your email. Add your content, check your formatting, and make sure your message is easy to scan. Keep your spacing consistent, and if you include links, make sure they look correct and are easy to click. When you are finished designing, click Save and Exit. After you click it, give Aweber a moment to load and save the draft fully. Waiting an extra minute can help prevent missing changes. Once you are back on the Drafts page, find the draft you just created. Next to that draft, click Schedule. This opens the Send settings where you will confirm who receives the message and when it will be delivered. First, review the section labeled Who should receive this message. Click Edit to choose the right audience. You can filter by list or by tag, depending on how you organize subscribers. Take your time here, because this selection controls exactly who gets the broadcast. Then review the section labeled When should this message be sent? Click Edit to choose your timing. You can send immediately if the message is ready now, or pick a specific date and time to schedule it. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Send Message Now to deliver it right away, or click Schedule Message to send it at the time you selected. That covers everything you need to know.